nails, scarf, clothes, also will keep your crystals last so much longer. I'm used to be really afraid of to doing crystal placement because of that. Precision glue has helped me so much. I can fill them all in between all the cracks, the gaps, so I can be really sit back and ensure that a crystal will last so much longer. So I'm just using a twin tip brush to blend it all the excess precision glue, and then we here for 60 seconds. So this is how a lot of going on right here. This guys is so much fun. Also is a 3D, so you want to make sure you seal all around the chain. I even when this chain is never come off on me at all. You feel the cracks, the gap right there, fill it in. And this one, I think I'm gonna using a no wipe top coat to cap coat them together. Prevent from tarnish. But do not put it on the crystal. I'm not touching a crystal at all. I try not to. Thank you for 60 seconds on this one. This one is done. This third nail is going to be so much easier because not many crystal, but however, it could be catching on the client's hair, so make sure you double check it. Usually I check it first before I squeeze anything out. This way I know where the gaps is. Great, so give this one for 60 seconds. And the last nails. It's really pretty much good.